What if I told you a Category 5 hurricane is barreling through the Caribbean right now? Hurricane Beryl is one of the strongest storms of the season, and it could be impacting the US soon. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about Hurricane Beryl. From its path and potential impact to what to expect in the coming days. But first, let's take a step back and understand what hurricanes are all about. Hurricanes are massive tropical storms that form over warm ocean waters. They are fueled by the ocean's heat, spinning counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere due to the Earth's rotation. These storms pack a powerful punch, bringing destructive winds, torrential rain, and storm surges that can devastate coastal areas. Hurricanes are classified on the Saffir-Simpson Hurricane Wind Scale, SSHWS. A system that ranks storms based on their sustained wind speeds. Category 1 is the weakest, with winds between 74 and 111 miles per hour, while Category 5 is the strongest, with winds exceeding 157 miles per hour. Hurricane Beryl, currently a Category 5, is a true monster capable of causing catastrophic damage. Do you know why hurricanes have names? The Atlantic hurricane season runs from June 1st to November 30th, and a list of 21 names is used in a rotating cycle. This year is 2024, so we're currently using Beryl as the second named storm. If a hurricane is particularly destructive and deadly, its name is retired and replaced with a new one. This isn't the first time we've encountered a Hurricane Beryl. Most recently was 2018, Beryl formed as a tropical storm in the Atlantic, eventually reaching Category 1 strength before dissipating near Bermuda. However, the Beryl of 2024 is a whole different beast, shattering records for its early formation and rapid intensification. Let's take a closer look at its current path, the potential impact on various regions, and what you can do to stay prepared if you're in the storm's path. Beryl formed quickly and unexpectedly, becoming a Category 5 hurricane after devastating islands in the southeastern Caribbean. Grenada, Curacao, and Petite Martinique took the brunt of the storm's fury, with reports of flattened homes and businesses, and tragically, loss of life. The storm is now churning westward across the Caribbean Sea. Jamaica, the Cayman Islands, and Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula are all in the potential path. Forecasters are still unsure of Beryl's exact trajectory after that, but there's a chance it could head towards the western Gulf Coast, including Texas and Louisiana. Stay safe. If you're in the Caribbean or potentially affected areas, stay informed and follow the instructions of local officials. Here are a few resources to stay prepared. The National Hurricane Center, https://www.nhc.noaa. And your local news station. These sources will keep you updated on Hurricane Beryl's path and potential impact mentioned throughout this video. Remember, stay safe and be prepared. Our thoughts are with everyone in the path of Hurricane Beryl. In the comments below, let us know if you have any questions or if you'd like to share updates on the situation in your area. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content about things and stuff you should know.